Viral ngayon ang isang military senior officer at PMA graduate sa kanyang online and public withdrawal of support for President Bongbong Marcos. So that means may bago na namang hero ang mga DDS o mga kulto ni Digongyo. Sa kanyang viral online post, ubos na raw ang pasensya ni Colonel Odi Mongao, isang senior Philippine Army officer, PMA class of 1992. Sabi niya, "May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon us all. Effective today, Friday, 9 January 2026, I, Colonel Odi A. Mongao O 10933 INF MNSA PA, am withdrawing my personal support for our President and Commander-in-Chief, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Sobra na, tama na. The Filipino people are worth fighting for. Mabuhay." Very emotional, performative. As usual, pinag-viral yan ng DDS. That's just right after the arrest of Romeo Poquis and the press conference of alleged DDS financier and coup plotter Chavit Singson.
Sa one-time, big-time rally, I'm still hoping mga uniform men sasama yung mga iba. Kasi maliliit. Kaya yung mga pulis na utusan, nahaharang sa mga pupunta sa Malacanang, huwag niyo pong harangin dahil ninakaw na ang kontribusyon niyo.
May timing bang kinukumpasan in time for the one-time, big-time protest ng mga DDS sa February?
Within our own ranks, the Armed Forces of the Philippines maintains zero tolerance for misconduct. We do not shield offenders. Valid complaints against personnel are handled swiftly through internal mechanisms and proper courts. We caution that calls for military personnel to engage in partisan politics or act outside the chain of command undermine our institutional integrity. While we respect freedom of expression, we remain focused solely on our mission, deferring matters of political accountability to the appropriate civilian institutions.
Pero dahil military man ang bagong bida ng DDS, immediately relieved siya sa kanyang post. Nahaharap siya ngayon sa investigation for possible administrative and legal violations at iba pang pwedeng charges under the Articles of War for conduct unbecoming of an officer.
Where is Colonel Mongao right now?
Okay, at around 9:30 this evening, Colonel Mongao voluntarily turned himself in, and just at the right time because malapit na kasi ma-terminate yung kanyang break, kanyang New Year's break. So he voluntarily surrendered himself, turned himself in, and we had a lot to talk about this evening, and he is fully cooperating with us.
What sanctions will he have to suffer for what he did?
That is something that will be determined after we have completed the investigation. So there are a lot of things that we wanted to determine. What we saw was the post that, what he posted on social media last night. And syempre we want to know the predicators of why he posted that. And try to see what are the other factors that led him to do what he did. So this will just come out later on during the investigation, right?
Pero syempre, as stated, hero o bayani si Mongao ngayon sa mga DDS, kagaya ng mga alleged coup plotter na sina Poquis at iba pa.
Kaso ni Colonel Mongao ay nagpapatunay na marami talagang mga mga nakikimkim din ng kanilang mga sentimiento dyan sa armed forces, particularly dun sa mga active service. Kanya lang, siyempre, dahil informado sila, tahimik lamang sila. Although feel nila yung mga damdamin ng ordinaryong Pilipino dito sa matinding korupsyon sa ating bayan.
Ang pinagtataka lang natin kung fed up o punong-puno na si Mongao sa corruption, nasaan siya noong panahon ni Digongyo na hindi lang admitted na mamamatay tao at magnanakaw, kundi pro-China traitor din. Tahimik siya sa tukhang at EJK ni Digongyo, tahimik siya sa kagaguhan ni Digongyo sa China. Duterte enabler ba ang bagong hero ng mga DDS? That is why we believe that all pro-DDS military and police personnel are morally corrupt. Either they're stupid or pro-Tokhang or EJK sila. Pero ayon naman kay Major General Michael Lohico ng Army Training Command, desperado at frustrated lang daw si Monggao kasi 2 beses na siyang na-passed over o nalampasan sa promotion. Kaya ganyan daw siya.
It has to come from a place of confusion, or a place of you could call it confusion or desperation, and the thing is, Colonel Monggao, he is a senior officer, and he has been to be honest, he has been passed over, all right, for career advancement. I have worked with him for a very long time, and I will attest to his dedication to his work.
In terms of credentials, achiever naman si Monggao. 34 years of service, may masters in National Security Administration at iba pa. Pero noong tiningnan namin ang kanyang Facebook account, he's sharing an AI-generated clip of a supposed professor na mali-mali ang analysis sa mga international events. Kaya siguro palpak din ang ilang desisyon ni Sir.